was just 7K. So, oh my god, I this just मैं अभी लेके जा रही हूँ, आप कर दो भैया। वो बोले मैडम आप क्या बोल रहे हो, इट्स 50 क्या। Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you all my sling bags, and so this will be like a sling bag collection, my sling bag collection. So today I'll be showing you that, and it's a very random video. I thought to shoot something else, and I was just decluttering my पीछे का what is called vanity. So I thought, okay, I have pretty good sling bag collection. I should share this with you. So I thought let's do this. It was a really random, like a quick sort of action. Okay, so ऐसे तुम अगर पीछे का background देख रहे हो, it's not finished yet, but it's okay. It's looking good and it's giving me a Christmas vibe, and it's so good to shoot a video in this kind of background. Before diving into my sling bag collection, let me tell you, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are watching this face for the first time, then hi, I am Prakriti. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you will have a really great time here with me. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. Let me tell you honestly, I am a huge bag lover and I have 3 shops in my life. Like I love shoes, bags and watches. These are the 3 things. I don't have a pretty good collection, but they all are like nominal minimum range. I buy my sling bags out of my pocket money, so you can understand how the ranges are. But as per the ranges, they are pretty good because these are my favorites. So yeah. So moving to the first bag, before showing you, let me tell you, this is a gift which is from my dearest friend Shilagna, and we means I, my sister and my college friends, me, my sister Swati, Sneha, Shoini, Shilagna and one of my dear friends Shantini. So we visited North Bengal because Shantini and Shilagna lives there. So we visited there, and also North Bengal में मेरा दादी जी का घर है. So we went there and we visited this Hong Kong market. If you don't know, Hong Kong market is a really famous market, North Bengal, Siliguri especially. So there you get many kind of trendiest bags ever. Not only bags, it's not only well known for bags. It's a huge market. It's well known for various stuffs, from stationery, from clothing, everything, every trendiest item you get there. Also, I think they export from various countries. Even China का माल भी तुमको मिल जाएगा. So the first bag is this one. Okay, this is how the first bag look like. इधर का तुमको fake Gucci का logo मिल जाएगा. It's even not Gucci because it says GC. So yeah, it's a 100 copied bag of Gucci. But this is how this looks. It's a very beautiful purple color and lilac color. Yeah, lilac color, very beautiful lilac color. I just love this bag. So you get this one chain only inside. Can you see? The भीतर is पूरा ऐसा red one, and it's a nice material. It's a structured bag now, so that's why I can't really open it wide. But इस ऐसे भीतर तुमको और एक पैसे रखने के लिए, चिल्लर्स रखने के लिए भी जगह मिलेगा. Okay, so this is how the first bag look like. It's a sling bag, and here the chain is very grayish color. This is how the bag is. Pretty long chain, well carryable, and the color is so trendy. So yeah, as soon as I entered the market, I saw this. ठीक है, अब ऐसे में जाके पहले बैग नहीं लेना चाहती थी. Everyone was shopping there accordingly. But ये मेरे को पहले ही दिख गया था. But I was quite doubtful कि मेरे को लेना चाहिए या नहीं. The color is so light and I was like, okay, if I get this, and मतलब इसमें कुछ कलर लग गया और ये खराब हो गया. So I was just thinking, and then I got it as a gift from Shilagna. Thank you, Shri. I love you. So moving to the next bag, which is again from Hong Kong market, is this one. I know many of you guys can relate with this bag because ये Instagram में बहुत famous है. Because I have seen in many pages they are selling this kind of bags. So ये bag ना मुझे select करने में श्री ने help किया. So this is how the bag look like. It's a very nice structured sling bag, and you can carry it like this way. in a small sling structure. And also you can do a full sling like situation, and you can carry it this way. So these are the two ways you can carry. It's a very nice, cute looking bag. You can think that how much things only it will carry, but let me tell you, इसमें बहुत सारा कुछ आ जाता है. Quite depth. अगर पता चलो, इसमें मुझे कुछ चिल्लर भी मिल गया. It is quite spacious from inside. Like it's a really nice bag. It got only one structure thing here. Nothing inside. मतलब तुमको ऐसे भीतर chain भी नहीं है. This is all you get. So yeah. So if I get, I will try to link this bag. So this is how my second sling bag looks like. It's a very and the color is very nice. Like very pretty color. You can carry with many things. I bought this for 700 rupees, and initially it will be telling you a dropped number. You can obviously bargain, and so I got this for 700. Moving to the third bag, which is again from Hong Kong market. So the third bag is this one. This is a very nice, vibrant yellow color. So मैंने ना ऐसे 4 bag. I got 4 bags from Hong Kong market, and उसमें से 3 I used. ठीक है? This is the only one I haven't used till date because मेरे को वो लगता है कि हाय इसमें कुछ लग ना जाए. I have this feeling. So yeah, this is how the bag look like. It got this beautiful, cute chain. See how cute this chain is. And you know, it's not that heavyweight. Let me open it first. So yeah. So on opening, you get 2 sections here, and also you get another belt, which is amazing. Okay, let me show you first. So this is how the sections are done, and inside you get a chain as well. तुम इसमें पैसे वैसे इधर को तुम रख सकते हो, and also you get 2 more sections. It's amazing. Like it's quite spacious. You can carry many things. So basically, you can carry it like this way, the normal way. So also you can use this chain right here.
ऐसे तुम लगा सकते हो. You know, it can be done in 3 different ways. Let me show you. So yeah.
This is how the second way, and the third way is you remove this and carry it as a whole. Like carry it like this, blue, yellow. That's it, and you can remove this. So these are the 3 ways basically you can do. So this is how the third bag look like. I mean, see the color? It's brilliant. और पीछे is like plain मतलब it got this stitches going on. As per I remember, I will ask my friends as well because they were also there when I purchased this bag. So I think this bag cost me around 900, and it cost me 900. फिर भी मैं एक double check होके बता दूँगी. And if I get the links of this kind of bags or similar bags from Instagram, obviously I will give the links in the description box below. You can always check it out from there. Okay. So moving to the fourth bag, and which is one of my most favorite. Like obviously the gift one is not comparable, but this is one of my most favorite bag ever. Can you guess which one? Is this one, this tan bag. So first let me show you how this bag looks like. So it got this chain right here. Then this is the structure. This is how beautiful. Like this is my most favorite bag. You know, this color is one such color you can carry with different outfits. और यही सोच के मैंने ये बैग लिया है. I can pair up with endless outfits. This is such color. It goes with almost everything. Even I can carry with this black sweatshirt as well. So this is how the bag look like. और ऐसे इसको खोलने में like you have to just ऐसे lock हो जाता है. You have to do straight from here and then open this. On opening, you get again same like the yellow bag was, like the previous bag was. You get 2 divisions here, and you get here also 1 division जिसमें तुम पैसे रख सकते हो. And the plus point is you get again another division here. पीछे भी तुमको ऐसे चेन में एक मिल जाएगा. I don't know if you can see, but पीछे भी इधर को एक चेन में मिल जाएगा. Also, the best part, it got a separation, it got a section each. Whenever I have to go out, I just put my chillers over here and it's easy to give people, okay? Let me tell you, मैंने ये बैग लेने के लिए क्या नहीं किया. So this भैया, I went to this store, I saw the bag and I asked कि कितने, what's the price, and he told me 1500. Literally, I remember he told me 1500. और this is the last purchase. उसके पहले मैंने ये तीनों बैग already I bought them, okay? So my पैसे ऐसे खत्म हो रहा था और मेरे पास ज़्यादा पैसे थे मतलब ज़्यादा पैसे थे नहीं, ठीक है? So then I said, see, we are college students. ऐसे सही लगाओ तो हम ले लेंगे. तुम इसको 700 कर दो. I'm taking. And I just abruptly told कि do 700, then I'm taking. Just मैं अभी लेके जाऊँगी. आप कर दो भैया. वो बोले मैडम आप क्या बोल रहे हो? It's 1500. How could I give you for 700? I don't bargain as such. ठीक है, मैं कभी नहीं करती हूँ. But I saw my friends and they were doing and मेरे को भी strength मिला कि ठीक है मेरे को भी करना चाहिए, मेरे को सीखना चाहिए. And I just abruptly told और मेरे को अंदर से इतना हंसी आ रही थी. And literally he told me 1500 and I told कि give me for 700. बट या ऐसा हुआ. उसके बाद आई वेंट, मैं ऐसे चली गई थी और मेरा मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. मेरे को ये बैग इतना मतलब मेरे को चाहिए तो चाहिए ही था. मैं क्या करती, मैं बार बार घूम फिर के मैं उस दुकान पे आती हूँ और बोलती हूँ क्या हो सकता है कुछ, और वो भैया बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं हो सकता, आप ले जाइए. फिर at the end when I was just leaving the market I thought it's okay, now I have to take this, otherwise I can't go home मतलब मेरे दादी के घर and sleep. So yeah, I went there and I asked, now tell me the price, कितने में दे रहे हो? It was like okay, take it for 900. Then I got this one for 900 bucks. So yeah, this was a struggle. But yeah, as such तो बढ़िया नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि so pandemic just hit many people, so I didn't wanted to do, but obviously you can do and people accept that. अगर 900 इसका प्राइस नहीं होता तो वो कभी नहीं सेल करता, मतलब उसका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन है इसलिए वो सेल कर पाए. So I bought this one for 900 and this is how the string is, and you can also carry it like this way. So this is how you can carry it as well. So yeah, this is a very cute little tan bag. So let me again keep it back. So moving to the fifth sling bag, which is this one. This is a very nice, you know, like silver. ऐसे कैसे effect डालता है? Oh my god, this is so cute bag I got. This is absolutely lightweight. देखिए कितना बिल्कुल भी ये weightless है kind of, and it got a very pretty stones here. Also you can carry many things inside. It has this beautiful, इसको क्या color बोलते हैं? Golden. So it has this very nice shimmery golden color inside. Oh, I have some chillers also. So never mind. So ऐसे इसमें एक section है and there is two sections. One for carrying this chiller, one for carrying the पैसे, money, and second a bigger section. So this is how the bag looks like. This is a very nice bag. So it got a really big sling situation. So this is how I carry it with Indian wears, also sometimes Western wears के साथ भी ये चल जाता है. This is very nice, multi-purpose. And I actually don't remember the cost of this bag. I got it from a local market from Kolkata itself, I guess. If it is not, I will ask my mom once and I'll be letting you know. बहुत दिन हो गया इसका. These the 4 bags I shown you, it's like March में लिया है this year. And this is a बहुत पहले का. So yeah, this is the 5th. So this is the 5th bag. Okay, so moving to the last bag of today's collection wala video. So this is this rose gold color shimmery bag, and this I carry mostly with the Indian wears. मतलब फिलहाल तो मैंने सिर्फ Indian wear के साथ ही ये carry किया है, pair up किया है. You know, this kind of bag is quite common and you will be seeing. It's a really staple kind of bag to carry with Western wears or especially the Indian wears because this is so glittery and so shiny. So ऐसे चल जाता है, बहुत multi-purpose भी हो जाता है. And this is how it open. Comes along with a chain. So here you get these strings. You can put the chains and make it a sling situation. You can carry it as a sling bag as well because many of the time I do that. Also it can be carried as a clutch because it gives you such a nice grip and it's really cute to carry this kind of bags to weddings, yeah, for reception, many things, many events. Yeah. And also it's got a cute little knob here. So yeah. Okay, these were all my 6 sling bags that I wanted to show you today. I can't show you all my sling bags because उतना अच्छा भी नहीं है सारा. So these were all the sling bags that I can show you. I hope you enjoyed my collection and watching this video. So these bags are quite trendy and you can get an eye here in one market or another. I think तुमको मिल जाएगा ऐसे अगर तुम ढूंढोगे और तुमको अगर कोई सच में बहुत पसंद आया. So that's all for today. I'll be seeing you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling.